Hi, my name is Susan Morales, and I'm one of the K-5 Private School Academy teachers. I'm here to help you finish the year strong. With the school year quickly coming to a close, many parents have been asking what is needed to ensure students complete the year successfully. We're here to answer that question in this quick 4-minute video. First, it is important to know your last day of school. Knowing the last day will ensure your student stays on track and help you plan out these last few weeks or months that are left. For our August and January 90-day students, the last day is May 27th. For our September and February 90-day students, the last day is July 9th. And for October and March 90-day students, the last day is July 30th. Everybody needs a plan. We want to make sure our courses are at a minimum of 80% complete by that last day of school, with 95 to 100% completion being the goal. Grades are as follows based on your completion rate. 79% or less complete will receive an N for needs improvement. Any course that receives an N will not be recommended for promotion. Courses that are at 80 to 94% complete will receive a C for complete, while 95 to 100% complete will receive an N for mastered. To find your student's progress, log into the online school. Select the Progress tab and scroll down. Here you will see your progress percentage for every single course. As you can see, this student is well on their way to mastered in every single course. With that being said, you will get a report card from K-12 Private Academy. Your final report card will be emailed to you approximately 5 business days after the last day of school. If there are any problems or issues with your report card, please don't hesitate to reach out to your homeroom teacher. Also, it is important to have your final conference with your homeroom teacher. This final conference will ensure that you are good and ready to go for that last day of school. You may email, text, or call. Also, we like to ensure that you turn in your final work samples to your Class Connect teachers and take that final STAR 360 assessment. This information has been emailed to you from your Class Connect teachers. They can help track your progress and give you your score reports for your STAR 360 assessment. Please reach out to them with any questions or concerns about work samples or your STAR 360 test. At this point, we should also be making our plans for next school year. Let your homeroom teacher know as soon as possible your plans. Let her know if you are going to re-enroll, if you will not be returning, or even if you are unsure. This will help our planning purposes for next school year. Also, if you sign up before June 30th, you'll be eligible for an early bird discount. For more information, please contact your homeroom teacher. Don't forget to take your customer service satisfaction survey that was emailed to you by K-12 Private Academy. There's one survey per family. This survey helps improve the product for all families. Please take a few moments to take the survey. The deadline is May 9th. Also, if you take the survey, you'll get a $100 discount on your tuition for next school year. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or your homeroom teacher. I'm going to leave you off with an end-of-year checklist that went over everything we discussed. To summarize our video today, you want to make sure that progress is at a minimum of 80% complete, that you've held your final conference with your homeroom teacher, that you've turned in your work samples to your Class Connect teacher, that you've completed your STAR 360 assessment, and that you let your homeroom teacher know for your plans for next year. And don't forget that CSAT survey, that customer service satisfaction survey that was emailed to you. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.